engineers are increasingly looking to machine learning to inform new product designs. AI-based surrogate models and AI physics models will help engineers design more performant and competitive products. Rescale is making it easy to optimize designs using ML-based surrogate models. Utilizing artificial neural networks for machine learning, Rescale is able to provide a robust foundation for design optimization. To illustrate, we will demonstrate the optimization of a pump design by maximizing its head and varying 10 parameters, including 8 design parameters and 2 operating parameters. We begin by preparing to synthesize new data for the machine learning algorithm programmatically. First, we prepare the CAD model and the simulation model for a parametric update. We mark all the model parameters that will be updated as part of the parametric sweep. Next, we configure the range over which the parametric updates must occur. We may begin by ingesting historical simulation data via a CSV or by running a design of experiments. Here, we'll run a DOE to synthesize the data. Now that we have synthesized data, we train the machine learning model to emulate our dataset. We will utilize artificial neural networks as our machine learning model. At the end of this step, you will have obtained an artificial neural network which can emulate our physics simulation data nearly instantaneously. Next, we run an optimization algorithm using inferences from the artificial neural network. Because the artificial neural network runs so rapidly, we can perform thousands of iterations to find the optimal design. In this case, we perform 2,000 iterations in under a minute to find our optimum design point. To verify the accuracy of the artificial neural network model, we compare the results from the physics simulation with the output from the artificial neural network. If the outputs are within a specified tolerance of one another, we will accept the optimum as the final answer and move on to post-processing. Finally, once we are satisfied with the accuracy of our artificial neural network model, we can open a post-processor tool and investigate the optimal design visually. Engineering and scientific computing is entering the era of AI-assisted engineering. By combining physics-based simulation, machine learning, and cloud automation, Rescale is helping engineering-driven organizations thrive in this new world, bringing more competitive products to market faster than ever before.